Question 5. Aisha had 5 toy ponies. Some were brown. The other 3 were white. How many brown ponies did Aisha have? This question's about toy ponies. There are brown ones. I'm going to use brown cubes and a brown marker. And for the white ponies, I've got white cubes, but I can't write in white, so I'm going to write in blue. The whole or the total is going to be done in black. Aisha had 5 toy ponies. Now, this is the whole or the total. So I know that there's 5 altogether. Some were brown. I don't know how many were brown, but one of the parts is brown. The other 3 were white. So there were 3 ponies that I know that were white. And then the question is, how many brown ponies did Aisha have? So I'm trying to find out how many brown ponies. I'm going to use the plan of whole subtract part equals part. I know the whole of 5, and if I subtract the part I know, which is the white ponies, I will end up with the part that is unknown, which is the brown ponies. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. So there are 2 brown ponies. And this fits. I'm going to check my parts and wholes. I'll do it over here so as you can see the white. I've got 2 brown ponies and 3 white ponies. Part add part equals the whole of 5. And yes, I can see that's 5 without counting. The last thing I need to check is the question. And the question said, how many brown ponies did Aisha have? And I know that Aisha's got 2 brown ponies. I could also use the plan of part add part equals whole. The part of the brown ponies that I don't know, add the part of the white ponies will give me the whole of the 5 ponies. 2 add 3 equals 5. So there were 2 brown ponies.